Hello and welcome to an Emsisoft Anti-Malware behavior blocker test. Like always, I'll be only testing behavior blocker component. So I've already disabled other components. Uh, so Surf Protect is disabled. FileGuard, the usual file scanner, is disabled, but behavior blocker is enabled. And I've also disabled their anti-malware network because this one also feeds reputation statistics to behavior blocker, which will skew the results a bit, so we don't want that. And so it's disabled for this test, so we can see how good behavior blocker is on its own without any external help. So this is it. Everything is updated, and the rest of the settings is set to default. So no changes there. And we can begin with the test. I'm gonna open up the ransomware check. Oh, come on, open up. It's messing with me. Oh boy. Okay. Considering the time it took to detect, it must be really behavior based. So that was well. I guess I'll just speed things up. Otherwise, the video will be half an hour long again, like usual. So 2 and 3 was not detected. No warnings, but 4 was detected. Okay, this looks like ransomware, which was somewhere around here. Okay, we'll restart the computer after the test. Okay, now this is adware, so we won't bother installing it. So Emsisoft does need some time to process the files, but from the looks of it, quite a lot of them are still running, so I don't think these are getting detected at all. We're almost finished here. They also mention improved behavior blocking of ransomware, so I hope it's gonna fare really good in the next part of the test where I run the ransomware. Okay, this is also adware. I really need to clean up the samples. Okay, so these are all executed from the recent sample set. I'm just gonna, yeah, I'll restart the system. Just in between the parts of the test. CPU was quite busy. We're gonna see if any of the running processes will continue to run after the system restart. And okay, so it has a boot time removal process or mechanism, if you want, which apparently removes stuff that's locked during the regular cleanup. Okay. I'm just gonna jump to ransomware directly and open up Process Explorer. Okay. So far, uh, not a lot of stuff is running. Okay, this one is false positive. Still, I think it was BK antivirus, which made the false positive last time. And this is just adware. So apparently everything was blocked. That nothing was encrypted either. And this doesn't want to open, apparently. And yes, the same old false positive. I still haven't fixed it. Oh boy. Anyway, now continue to the ransomware part. Again, we're gonna start with mainstream stuff. Like I've said, they supposedly have improved behavior blocking rules for ransomware or to counter ransomware. But from the looks of it, nothing is getting detected. We're gonna see if anything changes in here. Now, I know this is not the intended use of anti-malware products without the signature detection or file heuristics, but I always like to rely on behavior blockers. And okay, so something was triggered here on sample 4. Just gonna continue because nothing was encrypted yet. Nothing is running. Okay, seems to be fine for now. I know this one is annoying, and it was detected. Okay, okay, good detection. Interesting. Lucky's sixth sample is still running, but nothing encrypted. CPU usage is also low, so doesn't seem to be very active. Gonna execute this two again, just to be sure. So it's doing really good so far. I wonder what's the difference between orange and the red warnings. What's the significant difference between each? I guess the red one means it's worse somehow, but it doesn't really explain in the pop-up what's being changed exactly. So it's just this basic description here. Okay, so Tesla crypt blocked successfully, which is good. Okay, so Vipassana was blocked. Okay, seems to be very effective so far. And also this one. This was one of the most recent samples which I got, and it was also blocked, so that's very good. This is also fairly. Oh no, it's 18th November. Which one is it? Basically, I've executed all of them except torrent locker. Mm, and payload basically. Let's this one. Okay, everything getting detected, which is impressive. And absolutely everything was detected from this folder, and it's basically it's padlock and Petya. Where is Petya? Okay, that's a good start. And also the second sample. Okay, that's not good. And okay, that's good. So we blocked both Petya samples. Just padlock left. And also detected. Okay, so this is everything. For some reason, lucky sample 6 is still running, but files are perfectly fine for some reason. Not that I'm complaining, but it's unusual. So the text is fine. PNG is always fine. Also fine. So apparently, Emsisoft Anti-Malware behavior blocker blocked everything. There was adware installed, like in most tests. Just gonna restart the system anyway, just to see if anything runs. Yeah, adware doesn't really do anything malicious to the system, so behavior blockers aren't detecting it. Would be detected by the usual file scanner, so that's fine. And okay, good thing I've rebooted because oh, I thought for a second it was Petya encrypting the drive, similar boot screen, but it was just Emsisoft cleaning up the mess. Yeah, uh, looks very powerful. I haven't really used it in real world situations to see if it's very noisy on usual programs, harmless stuff that's not malicious. How it reacts on those? Does it ask on everyone? Because if security program warns on everything, it's not really helpful because user doesn't know if it's suspicious, malicious, or just harmless stuff. If it just warns on everything, but as far as malware goes, it was doing really good. Nothing got past, nothing serious at least. Especially ransomware did very well at that one. So you can rely on Emsisoft when it comes to ransomware. And yeah, these three were just adware. Nothing to worry about. Just gotta quickly check the files, which seem to be perfectly fine. Yeah, all fine. Nothing encrypted, so that is a good result. Well, why don't you want to open it? Okay, for some reason PDF file which I have here refuses to open, but I don't think it's related to the ransomware samples. Probably not. No, it's not. Now it wants to open it. Not sure why I was refusing to do that. Anyway, uh, good results from Emsisoft. Pretty good behavior blocker. And uh, considering I never used it, I'm quite surprised. It's really good. Highly recommended. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.